channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to find Apify API token. So guys, if you find the Apify API token, so guys, it is very easy. For this guys, first of all, you properly logged in your Apify account, okay, and simply refresh it once. After that guys, here you go for the option of settings. Here you see the option of settings. If you find any of these things, just remove it, and guys, here you see the option of settings. In the settings section, just wait for a few seconds and you just back to the normal size, and guys, here you see the option of API integration. Just click it once guys. Here is your API token. If you want to copy, so you use this button, otherwise you go for this icon, okay, and here you also delete if you are create any other and it is expired. And if you want to create the new token, so you just create the new token. Just it. So this is a simple way that you can do. So guys, thank you and have a nice day.